Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Nokia in India, the Nokia 4.2. So Nokia 4.2 was announced first at the Mobile World Congress 2019, and we did the hands-on video from Barcelona. And right now we have the actual box packing, and this is going to be launched in India soon. So the Nokia 4.2 is available for in the budget segment. We don't know the pricing as of now, so we'll update once we get the actual pricing. But this should be around the 10K price segment. Now in this video we'll do the unboxing, we'll talk about the device, we'll show you some camera samples, and this is again on the Android One platform. So the box packing is quite similar to what we have seen on other Nokia smartphones. We have the Nokia 4.2 mentioned, and the Android One experience, and the back of the box mentions the specifications. You can see it comes with a 5.71 inches HD plus resolution display, 19:9 aspect ratio, 13 plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera setup, 8 megapixel front camera, 3000 mAh capacity battery, and a dedicated Google Assistant button is also included. Along with that, it also has a fingerprint sensor. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 platform, and this comes with Android 9.0 Pie update out of the box. So we have the black variant with us. So let's open the box package and then show you the device. So taking this device out, so at the top you can see the Nokia 4.2. Let's take this device out of this cover. So there you go, that's the Nokia 4.2, and you can see we have the black variant, and you can see that this comes with a dual camera setup, 13 plus 2 megapixel camera. We have fingerprint sensor, and we also have the Nokia branding at the back of the box. And at the bottom section you can see that it comes with the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. The top panel has the 3.5mm audio jack. The right side houses the power button, and power button has a light included, so this lights up when you charge the device. And we also have this volume keys. Left side also houses the SIM tray and also the dedicated Google Home button. So that's the device. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So you get a SIM ejector pin. Then we have the manual and warranty information. So that's what is included with the box package. Then you get a charger. So this is the standard charger. Let's see the voltage rating for the charger. So it's just 5 volt 1 ampere. That's 5 watt charging. So that's pretty basic charging. Not even a 10 watt charging is included. That's pretty basic charging. Then you get the charging and data syncing cable. It's a micro USB charging and data syncing cable. And finally you have a basic earphone included with the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device, and you can see this is the Nokia 4.2. It has a 5.71 inches HD plus resolution display. You can see the device. So you can see the notch on the display. It is a water drop notch, but you can see that the bezels on all the sides, so the 3 sides are slightly on the higher side. You also get larger bezels at the bottom. We have the Nokia branding at the bottom as well. So the display quality looks quite okay. It's an HD plus resolution display, and viewing angles are also quite acceptable for this price segment. Now let's see the software aspect. So this has the Android 9.0 Android Pie, and let's go to the settings, and you can see here the system details. So Android 9.0, and you get the stock Android. This is under the Android One platform, and this has a 32 gigabyte internal storage available, and this also comes with 3 gigabyte RAM. The device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, and this has 3 gigabyte RAM and 32 gigabyte storage being offered. So you can see this is the Nokia 4.2, and let's have a look at the camera of this device. So this is the camera UI. You can see that it comes with a photo mode, bokeh, pro mode, and let's see other options. Time lapse and Google Lens is also included. Some different UI. You can see that there is option for beauty mode. Then you also get HDR auto mode. The bokeh mode is also included. Let's go to the video recording option, and let's see the settings in the video recording. So you can see that the video resolution here is 1080p resolution for the front and the back camera. So that's the camera UI. So here are some samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. We'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. The device also comes with a 3000 mAh capacity battery, which should be able to give you 1 day of battery life on an average, because it's a smaller display and also HD plus resolution display. So the battery performance, we expect it to be quite good enough for a day of usage. So that is unboxing hands-on video of the Nokia 4.2. So as of now, we don't know the pricing. Once we get hold of the official pricing, we'll update in the comment section. So this is Normal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.